guys, this is Aisha and I'm dressed up as Cinderella. If you want to learn this makeup, then stay with me till the end of the video and let's get started. First, I'm taking this gorgeous light blue shade, which is basically the Cinderella themed eye shade, light blue. Then I'm using this NYX blue jeans eye shade, slightly deeper blue, and I'm pressing that in the center of the lid to add some dimension. And look at that gradient starting to come together to really open up the eyes and make them pop. I'm sweeping a shimmery silver white shade on the brow bone and on the inner corner. And now my absolute favorite part, the eyeliner. So I'm going to use a turquoise eyeliner, and it's been my ride or die forever because I've used this since as far as I can remember. And I'm using it to create a soft siren eye shape and winging it out just a little bit and bringing it into the inner corner to for that extra sparkle. Then I'm going to use this a light blue shade that I've used on the lid on the lower lash line, and I'm using this um, again this dark blue underneath this to give my eyes much more structure and definition, and you can see how it's framing everything. Now the star of the show, the glitter. It makes my heart flutter. And the eye makeup is basically done. I mean, just look at that. So easy, so simple. Without the mascara, of course. And now I'm just cleaning my face and using a niacinamide serum. And now using this face mist to hydrate everything. I mean, my face. Since my skin's a little damp from the mist, I'm going to use this full coverage foundation straight with a beauty blender. It's a matte foundation and you have to blend it out really well for that flawless base. So yeah, take your time over here. And now I'm using this concealer. It's exactly my skin tone, nothing lighter, nothing darker, just to lift and perfect while keeping it natural. And since the foundation is also full coverage and my eyes are pretty bold, I wanted the skin to stay fresh and not too cakey or greasy, so that's why I've used this same color concealer. And you can see how I've used it on the usual areas to lift my face. And yeah, first I have blended it with my finger, so make sure it does not get mixed with the foundation. And now I'm using this beauty blender to blend everything together. So this is like simple tricks, but it actually brings out your makeup so well, so make sure to follow. And now I'm going to use translucent powder. A ton of translucent powder for that super matte vibes. And yeah, that's it, because we are going for a matte foundation. And now I'm going to use baking. Well, not real baking, but the baking for the eyes in makeup. And I'm going to use it under the eyes and along the cheekbones for that smooth airbrushed finish. And first I've used one layer, then I've used another layer and just let it sit. In the meanwhile, I'm using a blush on the cheek, for the lifted effect, basically on the cheekbone, on the top part of it. And you can just see that the translucent powder is still sitting. Now I'm taking off the excess powder. Oh my god, it was like going into my eyes. It was like very messy. All my shirt is like covered with it. And you can see how flawless my face has become. So this is the trick. And now I'm using this highlighter. Basically, it's not a highlighter. That's the trick. It's basically the eye shade. I've mixed a silver and a pinkish silver high shade on the high points of my face. And if you have the exact shade, go for it. But I think that you can always mix and match with makeup. and you can see how it's complementing this silver blue makeup so well, and so pretty, so sparkly already. And my blush actually came out a bit lighter afterwards. I used this highlighter, so I'm just deepening it, keep it in classic Cinderella style. I used this red matte lipstick. She had those perfect matte lips in the movie, and yeah, so I've kept it the same. This is 347 from L'Oreal. And there you go, basically. This is basically the brown girl Cinderella officially ready for the ball. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. But I'm obsessed with this look. Thank you for watching. So this brings us to the end of our video. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao.